Number 2 is NaoSIn-Ni A30 Pro 3D printer. Calling all Mac users and creative enthusiasts. Get ready for a thrilling 3D printing adventure with the NaoSIn-Ni A30 Pro. This superb 3D printer is tailor-made for Mac users and is here to revolutionize your creative endeavors. Picture this, a significant build volume measuring 320,320,420 millimeters, giving you the power to bring your boldest printing ideas to life. Go big, go wild, and explore endless possibilities with larger-than-life print models. Now, let's talk about convenience. The A30 Pro has a genius resume printing function that saves your progress in real time. No more starting from scratch when faced with a power outage. Pick up where you left off and watch your prints come to life effortlessly. But that's not all. With automatic leveling, bid farewell to manual adjustments. Connect the A30 Pro to the leveling sensor, sit back, and relax as it works magic to enhance first-layer adhesion. The A30 Pro flaunts a captivating full-color touchscreen, granting you complete command over the user interface. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase.